Why treat acne with home remedies? When treating acne, some people prefer home remedies because they want to know exactly what they are using and they don't want harsh chemicals applied to their skin. Other people use home remedies because they are cheaper than the other options, especially using a dermatologist. When treating acne with home remedies, most people try a series of treatments. There is nothing wrong with this, so long as you give each treatment enough time so you can assess it. However, when trying various options, one of the things that you can do is keep a daily journal. This will help you track the effectiveness of the different home remedies and will give you a record that you can use in the future. Lemon juice facial. Take a cotton ball, dab it into some lemon juice, then start thoroughly massaging your acne. The acidity will soften the skin. The lemon juice should only stay on the skin for about 20 minutes. After that, wash it away with plenty of warm water. Aloe vera. The gel of the aloe vera plant can be directly applied on the acne affected areas. You should be able to immediately feel its soothing antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. Tea tree oil. The antibacterial properties of tea tree oil make it one of the common national home remedies for acne. Tea tree oil can effectively get rid of the bacteria that can cause the acne. Tomato face mask. Slice a tomato in two, then start rubbing your face with one of the halves. This has a dual effect, which is to lighten acne scars and increase skin elasticity. Wash it away after 20 minutes. Baking soda. One of the favorite acne home remedies is the baking soda remedy. It's quick, natural, and it helps to unclog your pores. It kills acne-causing bacteria and it even helps to exfoliate the skin. Simply combine water and baking soda and mix it thoroughly into a paste. Apply this mixture to your acne scars and let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse and wash your skin well. Use this technique twice daily. Laundry. Acne can be caused by the bacteria transferred through sweat and perspiration on your pillow cover, so change your pillow slip every day and your sheets 2 to 3 times a week. Also use a clean towel when you exercise, and shower, at the gym. Oatmeal. Oatmeal removes excess oil from skin pores, cleansing the skin. Mix oatmeal with honey, let the mixture to cool and apply it on the face. Leave on for about 20 minutes before washing off. Diet. While this is not strictly a home remedy, I have included it this article. I always encourage people to avoid sugary, fried and high carbohydrate foods. Eat lots of fresh fruit and vegetables, and lastly drink 6 to 8 glasses of water each day.